25 years ago, a relatively unknown engineer named James Dyson released the world's first vacuum that was bagless. And today, we're in New York City for the launch of two new products, the Dyson Cyclone V10 cordless vacuum, and also the Dyson PureCool purifying fans. The predecessor to the V6 and V8, the V10 is a cord-free vacuum with Dyson's fastest digital motor, spinning up to 125,000 RPM. Dyson expects the V10 to set the path for vacuum cleaner technology for the next decade. During the event, media gathered from around the world to hear Sir James Dyson himself make a startling announcement.
We're not putting any more development cost into making machines that have a cord, because we believe this is the future.
That's right, the big bulky vacuum that your mom had when you were a kid is now a thing of the past. Dyson engineers made significant changes to the V10 that customers will love. First, overall design improvements.
We've moved the Cyclone and the bin assembly round by 90 degrees, and so having this straight line format really plays into maximising every bit of suction that we can.
Second, a larger bin size. Compared to the Dyson V8 Absolute, the V10 has a 40% bigger bin capacity and a point-and-shoot bin emptying mechanism.
What you actually do when you push the bin down is that you're wiping the shroud,
driving away all of the dust and the dirt and the debris, and then we have the automatic bin emptying opening there.
To improve filtration, Dyson wrapped both the pre- and post-motor filters around the motor as one sealed unit.
We've now added into V10 diagnostics, as I say, and then the other icon there is telling you when you should wash your filter.
The third big improvement is the battery. The V10 provides 60 minutes of fade-free runtime, meaning performance will not go down as the battery gets depleted.
The problem is that as the batteries are used, the voltage goes down. It's the phenomenon of batteries. So as the voltage dropped, we upped the amps. So the wattage remained the same.
The runtime is 20 minutes more than the V8 Absolute, and certainly enough time for most people to vacuum their homes. A full recharge of the V10 takes 3.5 hours. Fourth is new cleaner heads.
We've got two types of cleaner head, one for hard floors and one for soft floors. With our cleaner heads, we put the motor inside the brush bar, so we've got full width cleaning.
In all, the Cyclone V10 is poised to be the Tesla of vacuums, and Dyson is hoping consumers will opt for a lighter, powerful, cord-free option over traditional corded upright vacuums. The second product announcement was the Dyson PureCool purifying fans.
We spend 90% of our time indoors. That's a staggering amount, and indoor air have ultrafine particles suspended in it that we just can't see.
Their engineers designed the PureCool purifying fans with three distinctive purposes. The first was sensing indoor air quality. The second purpose is capturing harmful air pollutants. The new and improved filter captures both particle matter and gases. And the last purpose of the PureCool fans is projecting cleaned air. Once the air is purified, the PureCool uses Dyson's air multiplier technology to project at least 77 gallons of purified air around the room. Since most people wouldn't use a fan in the winter, the PureCool features a unique backwards airflow mode,
which allows the consumer to block off the front of the aperture, all within a clever mechanism inside this air amplifying loop, and project air backwards and diffuse that. It's through a wider slot, it's slightly quieter, it uses a lot less energy, but still maintains purification performance.
With the Dyson Link app, the PureCool purifying fans track indoor and outdoor pollution, temperature, and humidity levels.
As the filter life goes, the bar goes down, and when it gets into the red zone, it starts letting the consumer know that a filter replacement is almost ready for action.
This was an amazing Dyson event here in New York City. We were some of the first in the world to try out these new products, and I gotta say, they are amazing. Not only that, we had a chance to talk to the engineers who actually designed it. If you've never tried a Dyson product, trust me, now is the time. And if you excuse me, I made a mess here, so I've gotta do some cleaning.